When there is a storm, there is only one bird capable of defying the adverse winds and rising above the clouds while the other birds hide. At Grúas Aguilar, where looking up is the first step to evolve and grow together, we pride ourselves on being like those eagles, flying higher to overcome any challenge that comes our way. Since 1968, we have challenged the limits of construction and elevation. Our cranes are the bridge between the present and the future, making possible what was unattainable in the past. In a union of technical precision and effort, we built a better future and built horizons that extend to the highest. Our human team, with more than 50 years of experience, is the soul of this company. Determined and committed, we take flight to test ourselves and ask ourselves how far we can go. We build with efficiency, quality and safety, taking care of the environment in which we operate, betting on continuous training and technological innovation. We are the eagles that fly the highest. If you have a project that challenges heights, we are here to raise it to the highest level. Ready to fly with us?